Hello and welcome mga ka-crafter! It's another weekend once again, and for today's video, I will be showing you on how to customize a birthday chip bag using Canva. So if you've been planning ahead to hold a memorable birthday celebration with your chickadings, your kiddos, well then what a luck! You have found my channel. So what we're going to be making today is a custom party favorite chip bags, which I'm sure your kids are going to love. Alright, so let's get on to our Canva app. Click on Create a Design and customize the size. For this project, we will select 11 by 8.5 inches. The theme that we're going to be designing today is Candyland. I already got my template ready, and we are just going to upload it, and so is the other elements that we plan to incorporate into this layout. This template will actually serve as your guide. Canva is a free-to-use app, although you can subscribe to Canva Pro and you can enjoy unlimited access. Just try to be as creative in designing your chip bag, but do not go overboard. Whatever images you have saved in your computer, you can actually upload them into Canva and utilize. Okay, so you go to your elements and select shape, adjust the dimension, and you can choose to select which color you'd like. Keeping in mind the template, so that will serve as your guide for the placement of your objects. Okay, so we have just completed our design for the chip bag, and now we're going ahead to save and then print. So when you save and print from Canva, you make sure that you click the download button on the top right, select the file type, and make sure to select the PDF print. So I have printed my design from my Canon inkjet printer. And now we are ready to make the chip bag. And here we have these cute custom chip bags. Mga ka-crafter, I hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial video on how to design chip bag with Canva. Please don't forget to like and support my channel by subscribing, sharing, liking, and commenting. Make sure to turn on that notification bell. Thank you for dropping by to my channel. See you guys next week for another episode. Have a blessed weekend.